we gon' do this my way. Up running around like you forget who I am. But I made you, don't you forget that. Starting on your friends like you ain't hop on my wave. I helped you style, I helped you grind. And you know for damn sure I'll always ride. Your mama always call me and that's alright. Cause she know I'm the only one who stood by your side. I don't like to brag.
If you're new, welcome. If you like my content, feel free to like, share, subscribe. Click that notification down below so you'll be notified each time I post a video. Today I'll be doing a crochet hairstyle. Without further ado, let's get to it. The hair I'll be using is the Marley twist, and I purchased this hair from Amazon, guys. I'll leave the link in the description down below. First, I'll cut the hair in half, and this is my braiding pattern, guys. I'll begin crocheting from the nape of my head, and I'll be doing the normal crochet method where I push the latch hook through the braid and pull the hair through and knot the hair once.
So you better stop playing with me before this turns out ugly. I ain't got time, I ain't got patience, but you gon' stop spreading those false news. Tell your little girl to calm down too, cause I want you, I want you. X for a reason, so last season you can have my seconds, poor thing, don't know what you got yourself into. Let's keep this real, never gonna find someone this real. So stay in check, I got a big ego, such a huge ego. I love my big ego, and I can match your pettiness too. You build a bed, your girl living off what I built. Boy, you better stop and chill before I start to spill. You build the bed, you acting like I was never there. Ain't no chick for you like I did. So you better stop playing with me before this turns out ugly. You build a bed, your girl living off what I built. Boy, you better stop and chill before I start to spill. You build the bed, you acting like I was never there. Ain't no chick for you like I did. So you better stop playing with me before this turns out ugly.
This is for my babies. My beautiful baby. Today I saw you all stressed out. You couldn't even leave the house. All of this pressure you put on yourself. I think you're beautiful. I don't want nobody else. And even if you let your hair go wild.
Now I'm at the front of the hair. I'll be doing the invisible crochet method where I'll be knotting only one side of the hair so the knot can fall in the middle of the braid. So that will give me a seamless look, guys. I'll do this in real time, guys. I am pushing the latch hook through the braid, pulling the hair through, and knotting only one side of the braid, so there is a knot in the middle.
Because you are, you don't have to change, cause baby I love is natural. Today I saw you almost want to cry. You couldn't see the natural things that I love about you, like your pretty smile. I love is natural, and even if gonna be you and me. So no, now you don't have to put on makeup, 'cause baby I love your natural hair that way. Pretty in the world is your smiling face, 'cause baby I love it's natural. Baby, you don't have to put on red high heels. You look good when you don't even try. That's for real. Perfect as you are, you don't have to change. Baby, I love it's natural. And even if you let your hair go wild, you can take a break from your favorite stilettos. You're naturally my favorite girl. You're naturally my favorite. That's how it's gonna be. You and me, so no now. And even if you let your hair go wild and your feet take a break from your favorite stilettos, you're naturally my.
This is the final crochet look. Next, I'll be moving on to trimming and shaping the hair, guys. You don't have a special way to trim the hair, guys. You just trim and shape the hair to your own liking.
Cause baby I love it's natural. You don't have to put on red high heels. You look good when you don't even try.
I am going in with the wide tooth comb to comb the hair out because I want this hair to look as natural as possible. Adding some mousse to the hair.
Favorite stilettos. You're naturally my favorite girl, hands down, and that's how it's gonna be.
I'm using the Style Factor Edge Booster to lay my edges.
I love your natural hair that way. Pretty in the world is your smiling face, 'cause baby I love it's natural. You don't have to put on red high heels. You look good when you don't even try. For real, perfect as you are, you don't have to change, 'cause baby I love it's natural.
And this is the finished look, guys. Tell me this is not my real hair. Isn't it growing from my scalp, guys? And not to left out of the headband craze, guys. This hairstyle, you can dress it up with your cute headband, and guys, you'll be slaying.
I'm running around like you forget who I am, but I made you, don't you forget that. Starting on your friends like you ain't hop on my wave. I helped your style.
Thanks for watching, guys. I do appreciate you guys for stopping by my channel. If you like this video, go ahead and leave your girl a thumbs up and share this video, guys. Don't be mean, guys. Don't keep it to yourself. Share the video. Until next time, guys. Bye.
Looking at me sideways, giving me all type of face. Gotta put you in your place, but don't pass your place. You build a bed, your girl living off what I built. Boy, you better stop and chill.